Recruiter, I built this backfilling system for you. It's find all the backfilling opportunity in your market by tracking people who have started a new roles, then reverse engineering the company they left. And the best part, you can set up this whole system within 5 minutes. That's enough theory. Let's build the system right away. You can see this is a system. The core theme is relies on that finding the person who joined a new company and reverse engineering the past company and figure out do they need a backfilling. That's the whole concept. Now, how we build, we need two things. First of all, the Epify and the cloud. For Epify, just click the link and create account. Simple. After creating account, we need Cloud, and you need to have a desktop app. Just go to Cloud desktop. Simple. Go connect. Go connector. Add connector. Browse one and call like type Epify. And what you need to install it. After installing, let me uninstall first of all. You need to install it. Then go to back, and when you click plus, it asks the API keys. And how you find, you have to just create your account first of all, then go to console. Simple, just log in to the AB file. Go to the setting very quick. In the setting there is a API integration system. Copy the API and just go here again, paste it here, that, and go just enable this part and configuration final. Now that's all we needed. Now after this whole setup, now you need to install two things also, the skill and the sheet to track on. You can find the skill in this link. Just go and just click it and save it. And where you need to save is simply here. Just go here, add again, skill, manage skill, and you can just add the skill, upload the skill after downloading. And this called a job change signal tracker. Just upload the system. Now here how we can run this whole system. Now first of all, you need to use like slash find your skill job change in signal tracker, then just say let's start, and it will ask you couple of questions, and there is a two option. You can either upload 2 3 cb that resemble your ICP, or you can answer your this question: title, location, size, industry. Now the there's a main part that it only filter the role, department, and the country. It does not filter with size and industry. The when I say the size and company, industry, I'm talking about the API endpoint. However, we have next step that Claude filter out the size of the company and industry, and it score based on percentage. And you can say that I said okay, sales true for any level in sales department in UK and US. Simple. And you just ask me okay, we need the size and industry. So I say 50 to 500 all technology company. That's I give. It also asks, do you have any specific exclusion method that okay, this type of thing I don't want. You can give that thing. It will consider when scoring the lead. So you can give. I say okay, no, I don't need it. After that, it will give you the whole profile. The reverse engineer, okay, department of sales, country, company size, technology. Like when I say technology, it cluster with SaaS, software, AI, cybersecurity, dev tool, cloud. You can go in subniche, but I want to make sure that I'm giving you the enough data. That's why I go to broad. Now you can also have the exclusion, and I say no, it's a no, and it x now it just explain you that it doesn't have the proper industry and size control with AP5. So what you do, it just control by itself. It just filter out itself by matching with percentage. Then we run. After that, what you do, it will run the whole step. Like it takes like I think like 3 to 5 minutes. That's why I run beforehanded, because I don't want to sit to here and just see, okay, going through all this run taking time. So I run through, and what it happened, it just filter out all the company. It should be UK and US, and out of 5 result, it find only 2 matches. 3 3 are zero match because it not was a industry and size, because UK building materials, and second was it one is US food service company, so it does not match our ICP, it's removed. However, still, when we searching 5, it say okay, it only matches the no, it doesn't match the industry, but it matches the size. Like it matches the size industry, but it does not match the size, so it give the rating to you, because we're doing a very small set of testing. When you do like 100, then you get proper match. However, I want to make sure that okay, you need to do a proper 50 to 100 searches every day to get a proper match. However, you can still work out with this one, because it does give you okay, the 50 to 60% matches, 70% matches, and you can just see the job post. Just go and see okay, does this profile actually relating or not? Does this person switching to job, is there is opportunity for previous employer or not? If it is, you can just find the previous employer, and we and the step, and the step is inbuilt in this system. And you can also see the next one, just click, and this one. Now, however, if you think that it does not suit, you can update the prompt, say okay, the size doesn't match or this, and you can go to broader search. You can say okay, despite 5, now research 50 people or 60 people. You can do that broad research and find out okay, does it actually accurately matching your ICP or not. For the test, I only do 5. Now, after that, what you need to do, you go to next step, and what you do, you run another actor that find the previous employer, like recruiting K12 9 inside. So it find the previous employer where they work on. Simple. And after that, you get the thing, previous employer, you can find their name. After finding there, you can also find their LinkedIn ID, everything. It inbuilt the it just provide you CSV, and you can use that. And let me give you the master tracker. So here is a master tracker. It provides a CSV, and you can just put it here, and you can just give that it, so that it's internal hire or external hire, also the match, the percentage, the industry match, and the source link and status. And the printing is that you put the CSV, you haven't decided that okay, do you want to go or not. This and done is that you want okay, I find okay, this is the right fit, I will go and reach out the previous employer. Then you said done. And the next one is not interested. If you think that okay, it does not in boundary of my industry or in bound my expertise, just remove it. Just say not interested. Simple. After that, it will ask that what time of day. It just asks, and what time zone you want to run this system, because it run every day. The the point here is you need the speed. Every day it run, find the who change their job in particular that's department and sales row, and cloud filter out to the industry and industry and the size, and it give you the CSV. Okay, and you can reach out to them within 24 hours. That's the whole goal. Maybe you not find lead every day, but in a week you may find one, two, three. But that lead is it's precious, because you know that somebody is dire need. You can, if you see more like 3 out of 1 people actually need your expertise, you can go there, pitch them. Okay, I see somewhere lifted. I work in this particular industry, and I know this. I have this candidate that suit this need. Do you want to talk? And you have a reason to talk there, and that's the whole goal. It's the it's a sniper method. We're just finding the right person, not casting the net. We're just sniping the right people. Then after do that, it will create a schedule. What you need to do, you need to just click there and say yes. You need to go when you create, then you just say okay, yes, just run it. It will run it. And after that, it would create a daily schedule and give you the report every day. And the night you get the notification about the company, and you get a CSB, And what you need to do when you see a CSV, you just go here, import, upload, browse. You just find some companies and just go and to just append the current state. And then that's the thing, and import the data. And all the thing is in this docs. You can just copy the skill and copy the sheet and you can work on. That's all. And if you have any question related this particular system, shoot it in the comment. I will try to answer everyone as clear as possible, as effective as possible. For time being, have a great day. Bye.